So next question is, in a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? So suppose the school is having classes. In the question itself, it is said that the school is having classes from 1 to 12. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 12. First standard student will be planting 1 tree. Second standard will be planting 2 trees. And third standard will be planting 3 trees. Likewise, fourth standard will be planting 4 trees, like that. And it is said that each section of each class will plant a tree, and there are 3 sections. That means first standard is having 3 sections A, B and C. Second standard is having 3 sections A, B and C. Third standard is having 3 sections A, B and C. Fourth standard is also having 3 sections A, B and C. So one section will plant 1 tree of first standard. Second section will again plant 1 tree. Third section will plant 1 tree. So together all the 3 sections of first standard will be planting 3 trees. Okay, so one section of second standard will be planting 2 trees. The second section again plants 2 trees. Third section again plants 2 trees. So altogether total plants planted by the second standard will be 3 into 2, which gives you the number as 6. Again, each section of third standard will be planting 3 trees, and there are 3 sections. So total planted by the third standard students is 9. Likewise, fourth standard student, total number of plants planted by fourth standard students will be 4 into 3, 12. So can you say what will be the number of plants planted by the fifth standard student? One division of fifth standard will be planting 5 trees, and there are 3 sections, isn't it? That means 5 into 3, 15. So what is our AP? Our AP is 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. And in the school, there are classes from 1 to 12. Okay, so what about the 12th standard? Total number of trees planted by the 12th standard student. 12th standard also has 3 sections A, B and C. From one section, the number of plants planted will be 12, and there are 3 sections. So the total number of plants planted by the 12th standard student will be 12 into 3, which gives you the value 36. Okay, and what is our question? How many trees will be planted by the students? That means we have to find the sum of all these numbers. So the question gets reduced to finding sum. How many classes are there? From 1 to 12, 12 classes. So the question is to find S12. What is S12? The formula is n by 2 into, either we can take the formula 2a plus and minus 1 into d. Here, since we know the last value, it is easy to take the value formula as a plus l. What is L? N is the number of classes. How many classes are there? 12. So 12 divided by 3 into, what is the number of trees planted by the first standard students? 3. That is A, plus the 12th standard students planting 36. That will be the last number. So we are getting 12 by 2. 12 by 2 is 6 into 36 plus 3 gives you 39. And what is 39 into 6? 6 into 9 gives you 54. 6 3 is 18 plus 5 gives you 23. So the total number of plants planted by the school is 234.